Holy 10 fires shots at wife Kimberly. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. ZVAITWA hip-hop star Holy 10 has sparked fresh controversy after launching a scathing attack on his wife, Kimberly Richards, via Instagram, just 2 days after announcing the release of his new album. Known for stirring drama to hype up his projects, Holy 10 humiliated Kimberly in a series of explosive posts, branding her a prostitute. "Kimberly Richard, you want to keep embarrassing me, so I can really be the perfect example of the artist that married a H***, he wrote. The rapper further claimed he had gifted women's underwear to several other women during a trip to Johannesburg. "The problem is you guys don't know that the last time I was in Josie, I brought back 21 new underwears for my wives. Gave them to people like Hillary, Chelsea, etc., he added. In another post, Holy 10 shared a picture of a woman he alleged to be one of his lovers, before uploading a video of 3 women partying. Captioned, "I've got more H***s than everyone in Zimbabwe." The meltdown comes as the musician prepares to release Bundu Boys 2, a collaborative album with fellow rapper Michael Maggs. Holy 10's outbursts have triggered shockwaves on social media, with fans divided over whether the drama is genuine or a publicity stunt to promote his music.